Guys, I actually wanna talk about this. Yung alam mo tipong 'pag nag-i-invest ka na, yung parang kung naglagay ka ng money sa funds mo or naglagay ka ng money sa co-op mo or naglagay ka, let's say, ng bumili ka stocks, 'di ba? You would usually have that feeling na parang, "Oh my gosh," nalulungkot ka kasi bumawas yung pera mo and lumiit yung pera dun sa loob ng bangko mo. And I think that's normal kasi every time, even up until now, whenever I do invest, 'di ba, month on month, kung naglalagay ako ng pera 'pag bibili na ako ng funds, bibili ako ng, stocks. Yes, I still have that feeling kasi parang, oh my gosh, gusto ko kasi siya makita lagi na mataas yung savings mo. But for me, the thing there is 'pag lagi mo lang siya nakikita sa savings mo, 'di ba? Let's say nilalagay ko lang siya sa traditional bank, dun siya natutulog yung pera mo, 'di ba? Why not put it somewhere where it will make it work for you? And for me, guys, it does take time for you to get used to it. Because of the fact that lagi ko sinasabi sa inyo, 'di ba? As I could have, if I could turn back time, I will have invested earlier. I mean, like a lot of my friends right now na mas bata sa akin, lagi ko sinasabi, "Oh, nakapag-invest ka na ba? Nakapaglaan ka na ba ng pera mo para sa investment mo?" And for me, it's super important because that's how you make your money grow for you. And I don't say na you just invest blindly. Invest when you understand it, alam mo talaga, you believe in the product, and you invest doon sa mga legit. Hindi pwede yung, kasi narinig ko, eto maganda daw, tapos mag-invest ka na. Guys, hindi ganun ang investment, di ba? But it will take time for you to get used to it. Even ako, even up until now, di ba? Month on month, ginagawa ko siya. Pero paminsan, I still have that feeling na parang, oh my gosh, parang gusto ko siya sana sa loob ng bangko ko na lang. Pero, again, ang mapapayo ko sa inyo guys, if you go and see the growth pag nag-invest ka, doon mo sasabihin sa sarili mo, it's worth it. But again guys, it will take time. Hindi siya mabilis. Again, hindi siya parang kinabukasan, oh my gosh, lumaki na yung pera ko, day. Hindi talaga siya ganon. It will take time. Take it slow. Do it in your own pace. It doesn't necessarily have to be kailangan ilang libo ka agad. If you wanna start small, start small. Walang problema yan. But the most important thing is, you start. 'Di ba?